Let's create this beautiful Druzy effect. I used a slow setting resin to pour the tray and put a Druzy skin over the tray before I left. After like 14 to 18 hours, I'm removing the Druzy skin. Look at the lovely Druzy that has formed on top surface of the tray mold. I've tried to add a little glitter at the center, and remember you're doing it at the 80% of resin curing stage. And I am in love with how this looks. It's super shiny and beautiful. Now let's demold. You can see the resin is still soft, and that's when you need to do it. So now I'm going to take a large size glass bowl and I'm going to put a plastic sheet so that it's easier for me to remove later. And now I'm going to put my crystalled effect tray onto it and use a heat tool to soften the edges and the center core. Make sure you do it evenly, and once it's thoroughly heated, make sure you start dipping it a little from all the corners. Try to create a little fold here and there to your liking, and this is how I'm manipulating it with my hands. Shape it while it's still soft. In case you need to add more heat, feel free to do it. And once you're happy with how it looks, because it is still wet, it's going to go deeper. You can add weight if needed, else you can skip it totally. It's set for another 2 hours. Don't forget to comment, like, share and save the video. Thanks for watching.